Good morning, Spartans. Today is Tuesday, April 20th, 2021. I'm Miss Christmas Harris, and here are your morning announcements. It's Tuesday, so we're an AA day in building, and we hope you all had a great first day here. We know you've got a lot of questions, and make sure you let us know what they are if you don't understand something. This is our schedule right now. Just a reminder that AA people go periods 1 through 6 in building. We're done at 1:35, and then teachers have office hours for those students who are staying remote. So that's important. Wednesdays, you'll note, people who've been coming in all year continue to do so, and then we still have grade level meetings, which leads us to these two questions. What do we do on the days when we aren't in school or doing distance learning on Google Meets? Well, if you're an AA day and you don't come to school on Wednesday, Thursdays, and Fridays, you work on all your work. Your teachers are giving you homework. It has due dates. You're going to want to turn that in. So that's what you do. What's the deal with Wednesdays? Well, on Wednesdays, you work on work that you have due for school, make sure you meet any deadlines, and you come to the class meetings, 6th grade at 11:15, 7th grade at 12:15, and 8th grade at 1:15. Sometimes they're 15 minutes, sometimes they're 30 minutes, but advisory's finished for the year, class meetings are not. Remember that when we're in building, you need to have a mask on at all times. We need to work on our social distancing at 6 foot. The only time you can use a bathroom is if you have a pass. You need to get that from an adult, either in the classroom or if you're at lunch. One of the paras or Mr. Clunt and I have one for you. No eating in the classrooms, water in the hallways only, backpacks in your space, and bring that charged Chromebook and your headphones, along with maybe your charging cord, just in case. Remember that keeping your mask on the correct way is important. If you need a mask break, just ask your teacher for one. In the lunchroom, the big deal is, of course, making sure that we sanitize our hands before and after and clean up our area, as well as making sure that we have our white cards to put down to where we can take attendance at lunch every single day. We had a great first day yesterday, and we expect today will be just as great. Remember that first floor has first lunch and second floor has second lunch, and if you don't know where you're going, ask your third period teacher. They will let you know. Attendance is so very important, and being on time to all of your classes is very important, whether you're in person or at a distance. Also, on Mondays, the AA group will do the asynchronous attendance verification, and on Thursdays, the B group will do that. That's something you're going to do every week until the end of the school year. Right now, available on our website or in Mr. Clunt's more that he emailed out last week, we have the registration for our final round of spring sports. We have co-ed track and field, co-ed flag football, and co-ed soccer. So if you're interested, go ahead, sign up. Remember, you need to provide your own transportation and sign some waivers and release forms, but you can register for 2, but not on the same day. Homework Club is today. Mr. Bliss will be hosting you with all of your homework needs starting at 2:40 today. The meet code is SMSHW Club. Likewise, today is Drama Club. We all know life is more fun with some dramas, so go check it out starting at 2:30. The meet code is DRAMA. Your books are on sale. You can swing by the office to drop off your payment or buy online. No birthdays today. As always, we want to help you if you have any questions, so be sure to shoot us an email or give us a call here at the office, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Yesterday, I asked you a question regarding bell peppers, and as you can see here, the colors of the peppers don't exactly align to the colors of the chart, which is throwing me off for a little bit, but the reds do match. 49.1% of you do appreciate a good red pepper, red bell pepper that is, whereas 21.8% of you like green. Looks like 14.5% of you are evenly tied on yellow and orange. There you go. Now you know. Knowing's half the battle, says our friend G.I. Joe. Speaking of knowing things, we're working on consistency this week around the idea of honesty, which leads us to today's character dare. It is breaking some bad habits. Write down what you think is one of your worst habits. Then list 3 things you can do to try and break that habit. That's today's dare, which leads us Spartans to our words of wisdom from Mahatma Gandhi. He once said, "Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior become your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. And keep your values positive because your values become your destiny." What is positive? Well, I think we can all agree that that's moving forward in a polite and kind manner. So, Spartans, That's your character dare and your words of wisdom all wrapped up in one. Think about it. Get back to me when you have a chance with something to think about. This is Miss Christmas Harris reminding you the choices you make today shape your world tomorrow. That's it for your Tuesday morning announcements. Have a great one.